The digital age thrives on content and YouTube reigns supreme, but the spotlight isn't for everyone. Enter Faceless channels, a haven for the privacy-conscious and creatively liberated. These channels allow creators to detach their identity from their content, offering a shield against the often harsh realities of online exposure. Consider the appeal for introverts or those with demanding day jobs. Faceless channels provide an outlet to share passions without jeopardizing their privacy or existing careers. This anonymity fosters a unique freedom, encouraging experimentation and pushing the boundaries of conventional content creation. The result? A new breed of YouTubers focused solely on the power of their ideas and the quality of their content, not their online persona. The rise of faceless channels signals a broader shift in the creator economy. It's a testament to the power of ideas and the enduring allure of anonymity in a world increasingly obsessed with personal branding. Venturing into the world of faceless YouTube demands meticulous planning. Start with identifying a niche, remembering the freedom this format affords. Don't be afraid to explore uncharted territories or cater to niche interests. Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to craft a content strategy. Remember, consistency is key on YouTube. Develop a content calendar that outlines video topics, formats, and publishing schedules. A crucial aspect of this planning phase involves understanding your target audience. Utilize YouTube analytics to gather insights into popular videos within your niche and analyze competitor strategies. This data-driven approach will provide invaluable information to refine your content strategy and maximize your channel's reach. By investing time in thorough planning and research, you'll be well positioned to navigate the exciting world of faceless YouTube. Writing engaging scripts is an art, and AI has emerged as a powerful tool for both seasoned writers and newcomers. Several AI-powered platforms are specifically designed to assist YouTubers in generating high-quality, tailored scripts for their videos. These platforms use advanced algorithms to analyze trending topics, understand audience preferences, and even mimic different writing styles. Input your video topic, desired tone, and key talking points, and the AI will generate a comprehensive script complete with an engaging introduction, well-structured arguments, and a compelling call to action. This significantly reduces the time and effort required for script writing, allowing creators to produce more content in less time. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. Edit and refine the AI-generated text, adding personal anecdotes, humor, or insights to make it authentically yours. Moreover, AI scripting tools can be invaluable for A/B testing different script variations. This data-driven approach to script optimization can significantly improve your video's watch time, engagement, and overall performance. Finding the right voice for your faceless channel is crucial, and AI voiceover tools have revolutionized the process. Today, a plethora of AI-powered platforms offer a diverse library of high-quality, natural-sounding voices, allowing creators to maintain their anonymity while delivering professional-grade audio. Simply paste your script, choose your preferred voice and language, adjust the pacing and intonation, and the AI will generate a realistic voiceover in minutes. This eliminates the need for recording equipment, sound editing software, and the often daunting task of narrating your own content. With AI voiceovers, you can experiment with different accents, tones, and styles to find the perfect fit for your content and target audience. Moreover, AI voiceovers ensure consistency in your audio quality, a crucial aspect of maintaining a professional image on YouTube. No more worrying about background noise, varying audio levels, or the limitations of your own voice. AI provides a polished and consistent audio experience, enhancing the overall quality of your content. Visuals are the backbone of YouTube. For faceless channels, they hold even greater significance, carrying the weight of engagement without the crutch of a familiar face. Fortunately, a plethora of animation and editing tools are available, empowering creators to weave compelling narratives and captivate their audience. Animation, in particular, offers a powerful medium for faceless channels. From whiteboard animations explaining complex concepts to character-driven storytelling that evokes emotion, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Animaker or Vyond provide intuitive interfaces and pre-designed assets, making animation accessible even without prior experience. Don't underestimate the power of stock footage and screen recordings. Platforms like Pexels and Pixabay offer a treasure trove of royalty-free videos and images, while tools like Loom allow for seamless screen recording, perfect for tutorials or software demonstrations. These resources, coupled with user-friendly editing software like Filmora or Capwing, empower creators to craft visually engaging content that rivals professionally produced videos. Remember, effective visual storytelling is about more than just flashy graphics. Creating exceptional content is only half the battle. Getting it seen is the other. YouTube is a crowded marketplace, and faceless channels, without the advantage of a pre-existing audience, need to be strategic about visibility. This is where search engine optimization, SEO, comes into play, ensuring your content reaches the right viewers. Keyword research is paramount. Identify the terms your target audience is using to search for content within your niche. Utilize tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy to pinpoint relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Strategically incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Don't underestimate the power of a compelling thumbnail. Design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately reflect your content while incorporating relevant keywords. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, ask for video suggestions, and foster a sense of community around your channel. Consistently analyze your channel's performance. The rise of AI in content creation raises ethical considerations that creators must navigate thoughtfully. Transparency is paramount. Be upfront with your audience about your use of AI tools in your content creation process. This fosters trust and allows viewers to make informed decisions about the content they consume. Authenticity remains crucial even in the realm of AI. While AI can assist in generating ideas, crafting scripts, and even voicing your content, it's essential to infuse your unique perspective and creativity. Avoid using AI to deceive or manipulate your audience. The power of AI should be harnessed responsibly, prioritizing ethical considerations alongside creative expression. Transparency about your use of AI tools fosters this authenticity. The landscape of online content creation is constantly evolving, and faceless channels are at the forefront of this evolution. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated tools for script writing, voice generation, and video editing, further lowering the barrier to entry for aspiring creators. This democratization of content creation will likely lead to a surge in niche, faceless channels catering to highly specific interests and communities. We can anticipate a rise in educational channels exploring complex topics, gaming channels providing in-depth analysis, and even artistic channels showcasing AI-generated music or visual art. The lines between real and virtual will continue to blur. Advanced avatar technology and motion capture could enable creators to embody virtual personas, adding a new dimension to faceless channels. However, this evolution necessitates a parallel focus on ethical considerations. The future of faceless channels hinges on striking a balance between technological innovation and ethical content creation. YouTube's algorithm is a complex beast, but understanding its nuances is essential for any creator, especially those operating faceless channels. Data analytics is your secret weapon. Track your video's performance metrics meticulously, paying close attention to audience retention, click-through rates, and audience demographics. Leverage this data to refine your content strategy. Identify which video topics resonate most with your audience, which video lengths perform best, and what time of day your videos receive the most engagement. This data-driven approach allows you to tailor your content to the preferences of the YouTube algorithm and your target audience. Experiment with different video formats. While long-form content might work for some niches, short-form, highly engaging videos might perform better for others. Consistency is key to algorithm success. Establish a regular upload schedule that your audience can rely on. The rise of faceless YouTube channels signifies a paradigm shift in online content creation. It empowers individuals to share their passions, knowledge, and creativity without the constraints of a public persona, fostering a more diverse and inclusive digital landscape. As AI technology advances, the tools for creating compelling, engaging, and impactful content will become even more accessible. However, this evolution comes with a responsibility to uphold ethical standards, transparency about AI usage, authenticity in content creation, and a commitment to responsible AI practices are paramount. The future of faceless channels hinges on striking a harmonious balance between technological innovation and ethical considerations. For those willing to embrace the power of anonymity and leverage the capabilities of AI, the opportunities are boundless. Faceless channels represent the future of content creation, a future where ideas, creativity, and innovation take center stage.